Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm no longer AJ Solo 46. I'm Galaxy Diamond. Woo! Woof. Okay, we got an Able Flash. Yeah, and today I'm playing a game that I actually usually don't play anymore. It's called Animal Jam. Fun online games. Animal game. Fun online animal game. It's actually really fun. I made an episode when I was member, when I was my fox, and you actually got to talk. Yeah, and they didn't believe me that I was recording. Now I am recording. So how do you think about that, bro? You can go check it out for yourself. No, because he was like, let's be buddies. I was like, we are buddies. Spin. I really hope I get that prize. I haven't been able. I'm really poor. I think. I'm not sure. Let's see. No. I'm not really poor. I just don't like spending diamonds. So this is my Wonder Den. I decorated it very good. Yeah. Look, it's all adventure based thing. Now we'll go to my next den. Actually, I think I might buy a den. Let's see. Oh, no, they don't have a spring den. My next one is my autumn small house, which is actually basically nothing. As you can see, yeah, I don't decorate this one. And then we have my next one, now it has, which is my small house, which is my summer and spring one, decorated. Look at this bed. Yeah, boy, that's my bed. And I frolic in my flowers. Now, like, I can actually add more flowers if you guys want. I'm actually gonna take that out. Oh, I don't have any more flowers. I don't. Weird. So we're gonna go in here. Pets only party. I'm gonna see what pet they're gonna. Oh my god. Okay, then please trade me art. I could if I wanted to. Let me see your name. My den is big sale in lots of shops. Rare items. Trade you. I'll go for backpack. And we'll go for art. Art. No, this is a den item. I can send her art thing. Gonna send her the art. Yeah, bro. Yeah, boy. Of course, I can't buy any of that. You got your perks when you're a member. This should be a member only party. Duh. Because I'm not allowed to do anything. Yeah. Boy. I'm still wreck and it's 5%. Yay. Wait, I need to do extra math tonight. Guys, you get to watch me do extra math. Yay! Sign in. Mackenzie. Hold on. Okay. If you know the answers, link them down in the description. 16, 54, 45, 48, 6. What is this? 18, 9, 36, 9, 25, 42, 49, 24, 20, 42, 63, 16, 7, 21, 20, 10. Because AJ was watching it. Yeah. AJ did. No, he just went up. And I'm in the middle of extra math. Good. Good. I didn't get to hit. I don't know. Tomorrow. And Wednesday. Yeah. I don't. Why? Guys, this is what my screen looks like, if you can see it. No, bro. I kind of want to move you. Yeah, you're gonna go down there. Because I have a button to open that spot. If you want to see, this is the spot you're covering up now. And bye. I got my rec screen right here. And stupid teacher. Yeah. I don't know. Good. I'm doing extra math. Sorry guys about my mom, but this video will be short. Okay. 19 around. Let's see how many I got in a row. 29. Sign up. Parents or teacher. Guys, do not like. That's perfect. Don't look at my mom's name. Though, that is my title. 95, and I got a yellow today. Hooray. Let's see. This got 31. 0, 1, 13, 56, 63, 2, 35, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. Okay, that's 8. Return to editing. On.